as I was pondering the purchase of a BMW K1200 LT, I went home that day after the ride and had a look on the internet, and I searched for the cheapest one I could find, and it was a total wreck. So I didn't bother with that. And the second cheapest is this very one. It's a Mark II, so it has the upgraded dashboard and whatnot. It comes standard with a electro-hydraulic power, whatever, center stand. The center stand comes out with a button, basically. And it has like a huge amount of gadgets and gizmos that I never imagined could exist on a motorbike. So it has a radio with a CD player, it has this fancy electric screen, look at that. It has power brakes, it has central locking, I'm not joking, central locking on a motorbike. Okay, quick test with the visor thing. Can't put it down. Really got the wind in my face. Just leave that up, and when it's up, I can ride with my visor open, which is pretty cool. Now the visor is closed. Oh yeah, even with a closed visor, it's no good. Okay, you can actually ride this thing all day, man. It's just so comfortable. Although my ass is burning right now because it has a heated seat as well. Would you believe it? This thing has heated seat, heated grips, power, everything. It's nuts. My ass is really scorching now. It's kind of unpleasant. I can get, you know, why it's a good thing to have in winter, but I'm never going to ride this thing in winter. What the hell, man? My ass is burning. Have to stop and figure out how to turn that off. Thing is, I'm dead scared of stopping because it's an awfully heavy bike. Okay, tell you what, I'll do it here. F it. Check out the oh, there we go, the power stand. Watch this. So I'll stick it in neutral, then I hit this button. Why? Oh, there you go. Oh, there it goes, and up. Isn't that ridiculous? That's totally ridiculous, man. Okay, so I remember the bloke showed me a switch. Yeah, there it is. And I'll just put it in the middle, see what happens. Ah, man. Oh, while we're in here, you can adjust the damping. Pretty cool. So here it is, yeah. BMW K1200 LT. Why do I keep doing this to myself, man? It even has a radio, power screen, it's got sat nav, it even has a reverse gear. It's nuts. Okay, there you go. Yo. There we go. Heave it forward. Yo. Oh, shit, almost. Yeah. There we go. And then there's a reverse, but I'm going slightly downhill now, so I don't need it. But it's there in case, just in case. Indicator. First gear. Clutches seems... Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. And once you're rolling, it's quite alright. So basically what this is a K1200. It's the K-series chassis of the 90s and early noughties, as it were. Whoa, there you go, leaning in a bend. Let's give it the beans. Whoa! This is way too fat for this kind of riding, man. That is nuts. Holy crap. It really feels like like riding a bus, man. So there are a lot of things in common with the K1200 RS, including the chassis and a whole other few things. So it's a base, it's a bike, sorry, that I know it's the same basis. Ah, clutch is slipping, damn it! That's why I was so cheap. Fuck me, man. Okay, damn it! Shit, I have to change the clutch. Damn it! Oh man, I knew it felt really worn out. Damn it! That sucks. Okay. Yep, clutch is definitely slipping. Okay, well. Oh man, the clutch. Yep, clutch is gone, man. The clutch is gone. Clutch is dead. I'm kind of bummed right now, but okay. That's life. I did not try the bike actually. I just trusted the bloke, but I do know that at this mileage, it's usually the time when the clutch goes. So okay, clutch is gone. Point taken. So anyway, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this thing yet or not. Just going to ride it around a bit before ordering parts, obviously, and have a talk with my wife about if I may keep it or not. It's a bit like if I came home with a puppy or something, you know. It's like, oh, I found a puppy, can we keep it? But yeah, she wasn't too happy about that, but you know, whatever, I'll take the heat. I'm used to it. I'll do it for you guys. Oh la la. Yep, not going to go far with this year, but anyhow, I don't mind because I'm a professional, so to speak. So it doesn't really matter. It's just time and a bit of money for parts. But if you're not in the trade and you end up with a case like this, where you buy a bike saying, ah, well, you know, budget's a little tight. I don't know. Okay, so this might be actually the first and last ride, because so much work needs to be done on it. But there you go, this is Wrenching Channel, isn't it? So I'm kind of happy. I just hope that you guys are on board with this. If there's no interest, please let me know right now so I can sell it on and not, you know, not bother myself with something that nobody's interested in. So do please let me know. Should I keep it and you know, do whatever it needs to do whatever needs to be done to make it right again? Or should I just, you know, like, you're not interested at all, and then I'll just, you know, put it up for sale and try to get my cash back, so to speak. Another thing that I'd like to do is to detail it properly, because it's absolutely disgusting right now. It's really dirty. So if I have to sell it as is, I'm going to detail it anyway, because it's really very dirty. And so I might as well make a video about that in the first place. So anyway, that is me out of ideas. I'm going to rummage around in my thoughts right now. I need to be alone. I need to take this in, the fact that the clutch is dead on this thing, among the other things that I did spot, like tires and the front brakes and so on and so forth. But you know, I need some time for all of that to sink in. So that's me over and out. I will be catching you all later in the next video, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did I do something stupid, or was it a good idea? I'm looking forward to some content like mechanical spinning spanners with this thing, or do you not care at all? Let me know. Catch you all later, people. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.